Hello and welcome to another episode of Top 10, where we count down the most amazing, bizarre, and fascinating things in the world. Today, we're going to take a look at the most dangerous animals on the planet based on the number of human deaths they cause each year. These creatures may look cute, cuddly, or harmless, but don't be fooled. They can be deadly. So, without further ado, let's get started with our list. 10 crocodiles. Starting off our list, we have the crocodiles, the largest and most powerful reptiles in the world. Crocodiles can grow up to 6 meters long and weigh up to 1,000 kilograms. They have powerful jaws that can crush bones and tear flesh with ease. They can also run up to 17 kilometers per hour on land and swim up to 32 kilometers per hour in water. Crocodiles are ambush predators, meaning they wait for their prey to come close and then attack with a sudden burst of speed. They can also drag their victims underwater and drown them in a death roll. Crocodiles are responsible for an estimated 1,000 human deaths per year, mostly in Africa, Asia, and Australia, and hippopotamuses. Next, we have the hippopotamuses, the largest and heaviest land animals after the elephants. Hippos can grow up to 5 meters long and weigh up to 4,000 kilograms. They have massive heads, thick skin, and huge teeth that can reach up to 50 centimeters long. Hippos are herbivorous, meaning they feed on plants, but they are also very territorial and aggressive. They can charge at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour and attack anything that invades their space. They can also bite with a force of up to 8,100 newtons, enough to split a boat in half. Hippos are responsible for an estimated 500 human deaths per year, mostly in Africa. 8. Elephants. Moving on, we have the elephants, the largest and most intelligent land animals in the world. Elephants can grow up to 7 meters long and weigh up to 6,000 kilograms. They have long trunks that can lift, smell, and spray water, and large ears that can regulate their body temperature. They also have tusks that can grow up to 3 meters long and weigh up to 90 kilograms. Elephants are social animals, meaning they live in groups and communicate with each other. They are also very loyal and protective of their family members. However, elephants can also be very dangerous, especially when they are provoked, threatened, or in must, a period of increased testosterone and aggression. Elephants can charge at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour and trample, gore, or crush their enemies. Elephants are responsible for an estimated 500 human deaths per year, mostly in Africa and Asia. 7. Lions. Next up, we have the lions, the king of the jungle and the second largest cats in the world. Lions can grow up to 3 meters long and weigh up to 250 kilograms. They have muscular bodies, sharp claws, and powerful jaws that can deliver a bite force of up to 4,450 newtons. Lions are carnivorous, meaning they feed on meat, and they hunt in groups called prides. They can also roar as loud as 114 decibels, enough to be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Lions are responsible for an estimated 250 human deaths per year, mostly in Africa. 6. Scorpions. Moving on, we have the scorpions, the oldest and most venomous arachnids in the world. Scorpions can grow up to 23 centimeters long and weigh up to 56 grams. They have 8 legs, 2 pincers, and a tail that ends with a stinger. Scorpions are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night, and they can survive in extreme conditions such as deserts, mountains, and caves. Scorpions use their pincers to catch and crush their prey and their stinger to inject venom that can cause pain, paralysis, or death. Scorpions are responsible for an estimated 3,250 human deaths per year, mostly in Africa, Asia, and South America. 5. Tsetse flies. Next, we have the tsetse flies, the deadliest insects in the world. Tsetse flies can grow up to 15 millimeters long and weigh up to 40 milligrams. They have large eyes, hairy bodies, and piercing mouthparts. Tsetse flies are blood-sucking, meaning they feed on the blood of vertebrates, such as humans, cattle, and wildlife. Tsetse flies are also vectors, meaning they transmit diseases such as sleeping sickness, a parasitic infection that can cause fever, headache, anemia, and coma. Tsetse flies are responsible for an estimated 10,000 human deaths per year, mostly in sub-Saharan Africa. 4. Dogs. Moving on, we have the dogs, the most popular and loyal pets in the world. Dogs can vary in size, shape, and color depending on their breed, but they all belong to the same species, Canis lupus familiaris. Dogs have 4 legs, fur, and a tail, and they can communicate with barks, growls, and whines. Dogs are omnivorous, meaning they can eat both plants and animals, and they are domesticated, meaning they have been bred and trained by humans for thousands of years. Dogs are responsible for an estimated 25,000 human deaths per year, mostly due to rabies, a viral infection that can cause inflammation of the brain and spinal cord. Yuri. Snakes. Next up, we have the snakes, the most feared and misunderstood reptiles in the world. Snakes can range from 10 centimeters to 10 meters long and weigh from 10 grams to 250 kilograms. They have scaly skin, no limbs, and a forked tongue. Snakes are ectothermic, meaning they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature, and they can sense vibrations and smells with their tongue and organs. Snakes are also venomous, meaning they produce toxins that can affect the nervous system, blood, or muscles of their prey. Snakes are responsible for an estimated 50,000 human deaths per year, mostly in Africa and Asia. To humans. Moving on, we have the humans, the most intelligent and dominant animals in the world. Humans can range from 1.5 meters to 2 meters tall and weigh from 50 kilograms to 150 kilograms. They have hair, skin, and nails, and they can communicate with language, gestures, and expressions. Humans are omnivorous, meaning they can eat both plants and animals, and they are civilized, meaning they have developed culture, society, and technology. Humans are responsible for an estimated 475,000 human deaths per year, mostly due to homicide, war, and terrorism. 1. Mosquitoes. And finally, we have the mosquitoes, the most dangerous animals in the world. Mosquitoes can grow up to 16 millimeters long and weigh up to 2.5 milligrams. They have 6 legs, wings, and a proboscis. Mosquitoes are hematophagous, meaning they feed on the blood of vertebrates, such as humans, birds, and mammals. Mosquitoes are also vectors, meaning they transmit diseases such as malaria, dengue, yellow fever, Zika, and West Nile. Mosquitoes are responsible for an estimated 725,000 human deaths per year, mostly in Africa, Asia, and South America. And that's it for our list of the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you think of our list. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Top 10.